Sophia and Laura, and we've written a book called The Big Book of 100 Outdoor Activities.
We thought we'd share one of the projects from our book. This is one of the favourite projects. It's a DIY Dreamcatcher.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make it.
To make this Dreamcatcher, you will need an embroidery hoop, some scissors, some large beads like pony beads, and some wool in different colours. To start, tie a length of wool onto your embroidery hoop. Cut off the excess. Push the wool through the hoop, then back over the top of the hoop and through the wool inside the hoop, about 1.5 inches from your knot, and pull it tight. Continue all the way around the hoop in this way. When you get back to the beginning, continue to loop the wool and go forward, but instead of looping around the hoop, loop around the previous row of wool in the centre of each loop. Pull tight each time. At this point you can add beads if you want to for a little extra sparkle. If it starts to get fiddly and you find you can't fit the wool in through the hoop anymore, just trim some wool off the bundle. Once you've covered a good portion of the hoop with wool, you can finish off by cutting the excess wool and tying it onto the previous row. Tie a length of wool around what will be the top of your hoop and loop it back round and tie it back on again to make the hanging tie. Then to make the tassels hanging down from the Dreamcatcher, tie 3 lengths of wool onto the bottom of the hoop. Thread on some beads. Then make tassels by threading some wool around your fingers about 20 times. Pull away from your fingers and insert a pencil, then tie to secure around the pencil with another length of wool. Trim your tassel and then tie it onto the bottom of your Dreamcatcher. And now you're all done.
So there we have it. That is one of the projects from our big book of 100 outdoor activities.
Thanks for watching.